Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 2 of Business in Society. This week we're talking about managers. Managers must wear many hats, and they bring with them an entire toolkit of skills, conceptual skills, human skills, and technical skills in order to reach organizational goals and objectives effectively. There are 3 different levels of management. You have your top managers. They set objectives, scan the environment, plan and make decisions. And then you have middle managers who allocate resources, oversee first line managers, report to top management, develop and implement activities. And then you have your first line managers, and they coordinate activities, they supervise the employees, they report to middle management, and they participate in the day-to-day operations. So your first line managers are the ones that are more likely to come in contact with customers and have close interactions with employees. And then your middle managers, they would be the ones the first line managers would contact if they have any issues. The middle managers are not really going to be involved in the day-to-day activities of the business, but they're going to manage the first line managers and report to the top managers. And the top managers are not really going to have any contact with customers or the lower level employees. They're there to set the objectives, monitor things, and plan and make decisions. And so the world of business has changed tremendously over time, and it's definitely changing very rapidly every day. But the 4 functions of management really have not changed much, and these were identified by Henry Fayol in the 1900s, and they're still in use today. And this is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. What has changed is where and how managers perform these primary functions. Planning within a business ranges from the big picture to the very tiniest detail, from the organization's foundational plan, which would be its mission and its vision, and a set of strategic plans to tactical plans, to its daily operations plans and contingency plans, and each one is going to build on the other. And so without a well-developed set of plans, an organization is very unlikely to succeed. And so one of the things you're going to be learning about this week is called the SWOT analysis, and it's actually kind of fun to do. The SWOT consists of external factors and internal factors. The external factors include opportunities and threats, and the internal factors include strengths and weaknesses. So for opportunities and threats, we're looking at technology, competition, economic opportunities, economic threats, political, legal, and social trends. And so these are all things that are, outside of the business, but in the business environment. And then the internal factors, we're looking at financial, technical, competition, the position within the market, human resources, and product line. And so all of these really we're looking at within the business. So a good thing to do to practice is doing a SWOT analysis. Thinking about a business that you like or you're involved with, and thinking about what opportunities do they have, what threats do they have, and what are their strengths, what are they good at, how about finances, are they financially strong and sound, what about technology, do they have some new technology, or is their technology outdated? Perhaps it's a weakness for them. So I challenge you to take a business, think about it, sit down and write down what you think might be their opportunities. What are their threats? Who's their competition? What kind of economic market are they working in? Are there any social trends that might be affecting the business? And then also internally, think about the business. What are their strengths? How about their human resources? Do they have a good group of people working for them? Or perhaps they need to recruit more talent. Maybe that's a weakness that they don't have the best talent. Think about their product line. Is it outdated? Is the competition introducing products that are better and faster? A good example of this would be the cell phone companies like Verizon, or not Verizon, but Samsung and Apple. Think about, they're constantly fighting for market position, coming out with new phones, new deals on the phones. So take a business, something you're interested in, think about it a little bit and see if you can identify some of these factors for the business and do a little SWOT analysis. And I hope you enjoy that exercise, and I will see you in the discussion.